Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant E5 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, say you have a damaged main wheel and you need to replace it. Super simple, this is how you do it. In the middle of the wheel here is a 6mm Allen head screw. You want to go ahead and take that out. Now you can remove that and get your washer. Just like that. Get your new wheel, put it back on, just reverse the steps. Get your washer back on there. Just like that, tighten that screw back down and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.